Canadian canola producers are caught in the middle of rising tensions with China. Hayley Woodin with Business in Vancouver is joining us now with more. So Hayley, what's happening?
We now have a second Canadian canola exporter that's had its exporting license suspended from China. This is Viterra, based in Saskatchewan. The first company was Richardson International. But beyond these two examples, the Canola Council of Canada says all of its members have run into difficulties in exporting to China, that Chinese importers have been unwilling to take their product. Now, China is blaming this on health and safety reasons. It says it's found pests in Canadian canola, but it's also said that Canada needs to take steps to correct mistakes Canada has made in handling the China-Canada relationship in the past. And that, of course, suggests that this is about much more than just canola, that it's really diplomatic at its core. Canada has responded saying it's willing to send a delegation to talk about quality control in canola, but Canada has recognized that a solution needs to come to this situation.
All right. And speaking of China, U.S. China trade talks are resuming. What are we expecting to see?
That's an excellent question, because just weeks ago, President Trump was saying that a deal was imminent, and we have yet to really have any more clarity about what such a deal might involve. We know that the United States top trade representative and Treasury Secretary will be heading to Beijing Thursday, Friday to resume talks. Next week, Beijing is expected to send top-level delegations to Washington to push those talks a little bit further. Trump has said that he wants an excellent deal, but at this point in time, it's unclear that what's excellent for the U.S. will be excellent for China. So we wait.
What about for us here? How could those talks affect our economy?
Well, if we don't see any kind of resolution, and if we see tariffs imposed on goods on both countries, Canada could benefit to some extent from seeing trade rerouted to our country, as the EU could benefit too. But really, I think countries around the world would like to see some kind of resolution and a little bit more stability to the global trading economy.
Absolutely. All right. Hayley Woodin with Business in Vancouver this morning. Thanks, Hayley.
Thanks, Sonia.